Do you know many people are having trouble with paper jams in their printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Lift cover. Start by lifting the cover of the document feeder to access the jammed paper. Step 2. Identify paper. Identify any visible paper in the feeding area that needs to be removed. Step 3. Remove paper. Carefully pull out the paper, ensuring all pieces are removed if torn. Step 4. Close cover. Firmly close the document feeder cover, securing it into place. Step 5. Confirm and continue. If required, press OK on the printer to resume any pending print jobs. By following these steps, you should have cleared the paper jam successfully. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.